What's up guys, your boy Half Life back with another video. So today, we at Planet Fitness. Gotta do a quick leg workout. Let's see how it goes. I got my mans with me and we about to just get into it. So let's get straight to it.
Normie. When I die, bury me inside a Gucci coffin. Make hits all day and there ain't no stopping. Jay kill Josh A, make tracks too often. I don't need a gold chain cause we're too damn awesome. When I die, bury me inside a Gucci coffin.
Alright, so before y'all start roasting me, yes, I can clearly squat more than a 45 on each side. I have purposely placed a singular 45-pound plate on each side. No, I'm not a little boy. No, I'm not weak. No, I am not sweet. I did this for the purpose of the workout. So before any of y'all start saying anything, talking that good yeah, just know that is the reason. I did it for the workout. So I got my little man and my pops working out with me today. Decided to do a little leg workout. Well, really we did a full body workout, but I only filmed the leg part. So yeah. Because I remember back in the day, I used to get cut up for having small legs. Yes, I worked my legs. Yes, I ran track and everything. My legs just weren't bulging like my upper half was. Even though I'm not even that big up top, for real. But my legs just look small compared to my upper half. So I had to show a little leg workout to show I wasn't slacking on my squats and calf raises and glute pumps. What are the butt exercises even called? I really don't know. Butt clenches. I'm pretty sure that's an exercise. But yeah, just want to do 3 sets of everything. Up here squatting. Honestly, we could have squatted more, but for the sake, since it was a full body workout, not just a leg workout, we decided to do a pretty low weight. Alright, and now I'm going to show you 2 different types of calf raises. One of them is a sitting down calf raise when you put different plates or weight on your on your thighs, and then you just go raise your toes doing calf raises. That's the sit down method. Honestly, that was the first time I ever did it this way, and it works. I'm not gonna lie, like it didn't work. Personally, I prefer the stand up, hold a plate on each side, and just do calf raises that way. I feel like they just work more, and because you're like balancing it out and everything, plus you're standing up. Oh nah, Pop's trying to swing on me. It's crazy. But I don't know, maybe that's just me. Yeah, my good man up here doing his calf raises, getting his legs strong. That boy's strong. Alright, here's the other way to do it. This is the way that I'm used to doing calf raises. Oops, kind of lost my balance there. Tripped on little Jimmy. Well, I don't know if it's just me, but these rope exercises have to be the goofiest looking things that you can ever do. Like, just like, if you just look at somebody, the way they're just like bent over and just like twirling their wrists to get like the rope to move and stuff, it's just funny to me. I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but it's funny. When I look at other people or when I look at myself doing it. Like, I was watching the footage, I was just like, damn, I look goofy right now. This is more endurance though, it's not really legs, but I decided to add it in here just because, you know, endurance is useful. Another useful drill are some, may that be hops or bunnies. Just call them jump ups, I guess. Step ups, jump ups. I really don't know the name. Sorry. But you get the idea. You literally just jump up onto a platform and then jump down. It's pretty straightforward. The nerve, the audacity. These men challenged me to a push-up contest. Me? 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 Like, really? So, spoiler alert, I did 103 push-ups in a minute. Yes, they were quick. They weren't slow push-ups like I did for the 80 team push-up challenge, but they were still pretty nice push-ups going up and down. With that being said, hope you all enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for the next one, weekly videos, not just fitness. Try to upload some comedy skits, gaming, story times, more fitness. You know, I'm trying to expand my horizon. So hopefully you enjoyed. Tell a friend, tell your mom, tell your dad, watch my videos. I greatly appreciate it. And thank you.